It's empty. Yeah.
Yeah, it's completely empty. So you come when the weather's not very good, but the view is really incredible.
Yeah. Now the view is amazing.
So it's southeast facing.
Best you can get.
Yeah, I honestly think it's the best you can get.
Yeah, it is. It is. Wow. Unbelievable, eh? Living room, spacious living room. Yeah.
The spacious living room and the dining area.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, you can knock this through. There's another window into the terrace there.
Yeah. So it goes again to balcony. It's all one balcony, big one.
Terrace, yeah.
So 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms.
There's the kitchen. I think if you were to renovate, I would knock all this out and have it open to the kitchen. And then I would open everything up if I was going to renovate.
Yeah.
Obviously, it hasn't been.
They definitely need updation and latest
It needs a renovation.
designs and material.
Well, there's a lot of room, so you can knock this out, and then there's this like laundry area, which is quite common in these buildings and
that increases the value also when you put
so
the new
I would
stuff
say
in.
we've had a quote for the renovation would be, depending on what you wanted, obviously, between 100,000 and 200,000, we'd say.
Yeah.
So this is quite common in these buildings. It's like a washing area, so you have your washing machine here.
Washing
It's
machine.
like an outdoor washing area.
Oh,
But
so
you could, if you wanted, you could actually seal it off. You know,
is it automatic? This
No,
railing?
that's standard.
permanent. That can't be moved.
No.
Yeah, it's safety. Yeah.
Yeah, so you can make it into a proper room, like putting glass if you wanted.
Yeah.
So this is the other entrance. To
So this
I haven't got the key, but
this is the second
This goes to the service elevator.
right.
Yeah.
Second entrance, which goes to the service elevator.
That would have been like the service room. So that's
Pantry kind of.
That's where the service
For the
person would have lived.
maid.
Would have lived in.
Help. Yeah. Okay. Like as in Dubai, they have maid rooms
Yeah,
everywhere.
exactly. Yeah. Maid. And there's a very small bathroom in there. It'd be better just as a cloakroom, just as a.
Yeah.
Okay, this is bedroom 1.
That's another bedroom.
That's the dining room. Sorry, so that's
Dining room.
yeah. So that's we walked through from the living
Yeah,
room.
which walks through the living room. We were in the balcony and the dining area, and we came from this side.
So now,
Sorry, 1 second. Yeah, now we're good. Just showing the toilet.
so now the bedrooms are from here. So this is bedroom 1.
Bedroom number 1. Again, yeah, with nice,
Bedrooms.
good spacious almirahs, closets,
Bedrooms, yeah.
wardrobes. But they're deep. They're good. Very deep.
Yeah.
With amazing views.
And then this is the master bedroom.
Yeah.
You could knock through here and have an even bigger master bedroom if you wanted.
Permissible, you think, from structure?
Yeah,
structure?
these are definitely, these aren't load bearing walls, you can take them out.
Yeah.
And then this is the walk-in wardrobe. I'm afraid there's no light, so I'll just
Yeah, just put, if you can, please, with the phone. You can show
So
it.
there's a walk-in wardrobe and then you've got another bathroom.
Yeah, very spacious, big one. With the tub and walk-in wardrobe right here. Yeah, perfect. Thank you. So room number 1 right here.
Yeah, that was another one there too.
Room number 2 with the sea facing view. Number 3. And that's number 4.
So there's one main bathroom as well.
Yeah, right there. Again with the tub. Yeah, beautiful views from here as well. Yeah.
It's a bit foggy today. Normally you can see the castle and the mountain behind it.
Oh, mountain view from here?
Yeah.
When there's no fog.
Yeah, we've got the castle.
Oh, the castle, what's called Alcatraz?
Helbefera, see.
No, not from, like starting from here, right? That old castle?
Yeah, it's just up there. There's the castle and the fortress.
Arabic one, yeah?
Yeah.
What's it called?
There's the Alcatraz and
Alcatraz.
there's a Helbefera castle.
Yeah, 2 castles, yeah.
One's the fortress and one's the castle.
Yeah.
They're connected.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, it needs a renovation, but the best thing is like this location.
Yeah, yeah.
If you can take this wall out as well.
Yeah.
And you can open up the kitchen so you can be all the way through from front to back if you wanted it there.
Okay.
I've had it quite
Yeah. Oh, yeah, they took a quotation.
yeah, I had it built around because
Yeah.
I had clients asking how much it would cost.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much.